Hello everyone, this is my review of the Symbol CP5 Selfie Monitor Screen. The 5-inch full 1080p touchscreen is crisp and responsive, making it easy to monitor my recordings in real time. The wireless transmission feature has low latency, so there's no noticeable lag, which is crucial for live streaming and vlogging. One of the standout features is the magnetic silicone case, which allows for quick and secure attachment to my phone. The built-in Bluetooth remote shutter is thoughtful, enabling me to start recordings without touching my phone. The battery life is impressive, offering up to 3.5 hours of continuous use, which is more than sufficient for my needs. However, I did notice that in extreme bright outdoor conditions, the screen could benefit from higher brightness levels to combat glare. Overall, the Shimbol CP5 is a versatile and reliable tool for anyone serious about mobile content creation. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.